Hi, how are you? I hope you are all doing fine today. You can see here a nice white background, and we're going to add a blue color from the top and coming towards the bottom, just changing the background scenario. So the changes are going to happen gradually. All right. Okay. And it just you can see here just diminishing towards the middle point. Okay. And for the shapes of the clouds, just few strokes with the brushes which is darker. That means the main clouds, and it's going to rain. Okay. And this is how we're just changing the scenario of the skyline. So the thing is moving, but all right, now you can see. So cloud formations, just simple round shape. Okay. And after that one, just you can put a little bit white color on top in between the clouds, just to create the variations. All right, let's add more. So it's something like white and dark blue, so getting nice variations for the clouds here. Awesome. And other parts, let's just put the gradual changes here. Okay, so up to the last end of the scenario. Awesome. So in this point, we're going to add some branches for the tree lines. So this is going to the top point. You can see the branches are just getting divided into many points. So that's like a organic shape. In the top, you can see the major branches. In the bottom, you're just getting some irregular shapes. Okay, so this is the ground level. For the ground level, we can add the green color. So let's see the green here. Just we can add like this one. So this is going to be the ground green. All right. For more realistic appearance, let's add more white to the green and just mix it within the canvas. So ground is done. On the top, let's put the green color. For the tree lines, just you can see this is the bottom layer. So when you draw the bottom layer, it's going to be the darker, and as you move to the top layer, then you can add another color which is going to be the yellow. This is how changing the shade pattern and the tree appearance. Colorful indeed. Let's add more yellow. Okay, so you can see the darker portion is to the bottom part and the lighter portion is to the top part. Okay, so one side we're just making the lighter, another side we're just making darker. So this is how the shade pattern changes. The remaining part we're going to add the white color just to make it more interesting. So this is how you can see the pattern of the three colors for the whole tree. So usually the white color just move along to the top portion. So it doesn't take much time. You can do practice at home, and very simple scenery, but it looks really nice. So the basic thing, you can see a tree, the ground, the background, and the sky. Very, you can see the cloudy sky, cloud forming because it's going to rain. So simple background. And finally, if you like to add a boat, then you can add a boat here. So that depends on your decisions. So board drawing is very simple, just a simple stroke like this, and you can see the parking sticks here, two of those, and this is going to be the shades. So it just take a few moments. So this is how you can see, this is the water, and other parts are going to be the skyline for the clouds. For making it more realistic, you can just add few more colors, or you can just add white here just to make the water more merging with the blue color here. Okay, so this is it, the water getting dynamic shapes. Okay, so adding more blue here for the shading of the boat. Awesome. So this is it, and this background, you can see it's like a solid wood piece. So you can do these types of decorations at home, and you can decorate your home decoration ideas. Very nicely. Thanks for watching. See you in our next videos. If you like to watch more, you can browse through the playlist and go to other videos to learn new things. Thanks for watching. See you in our next videos. Have a good day.